Hello, tech enthusiasts. The world of technology is rapidly evolving, especially in the field of artificial intelligence. AI is no longer a futuristic concept. It's here, it's now, and it's transforming our lives at an unprecedented pace. From self-driving cars to personalized medicine, AI is revolutionizing industries and pushing the boundaries of human ingenuity. To thrive in this era of intelligent machines, staying updated with the latest AI advancements is crucial. Today, I'll share 6 crucial tips to help you stay on top of AI developments. One of the most effective ways to stay informed about AI is by following leading AI experts on social media. Platforms like X, formerly known as Twitter, provide a direct line to researchers, engineers, and entrepreneurs who are shaping the future of AI. By following these experts, you'll get real-time updates on their latest projects, insights into emerging trends, and thought-provoking discussions on the implications of AI. It's like having a front-row seat to the AI revolution, witnessing firsthand the breakthroughs and challenges that come with developing intelligent systems. The world of AI is vast, and it's easy to get lost in the sea of information. That's why subscribing to specialized AI newsletters and blogs is essential. These curated resources filter out the noise and deliver the most relevant AI news and breakthroughs straight to your inbox. From in-depth analyses of AI research papers to summaries of industry conferences, AI newsletters and blogs provide a concise and informative way to stay up to date with the ever-evolving AI landscape. Attending AI conferences and workshops is an invaluable way to immerse yourself in the world of AI. These events bring together the brightest minds in the field, offering a unique opportunity to network with fellow enthusiasts, learn from renowned experts, and explore the latest AI trends. From keynote speeches by industry leaders to hands-on workshops on cutting-edge AI tools, AI conferences and events provide a holistic and engaging experience that will deepen your understanding of AI's potential. For those seeking a deeper understanding of AI, exploring academic publications and preprints is crucial. Platforms like RxSiv provide access to the latest research and developments in AI, often before they are published in traditional journals. By reading these publications, you'll gain insights into the theoretical foundations of AI, the methodologies used in cutting-edge research, and the potential applications of emerging AI technologies. The AI community thrives on collaboration and knowledge exchange. Engaging with AI-focused online communities and forums is a fantastic way to connect with fellow enthusiasts, share your insights, and learn from others. These platforms provide a space for discussing AI-related topics, asking questions, and participating in lively debates, fostering a sense of collective learning and growth. The best way to truly understand AI is to experience it firsthand. Experimenting with AI tools and platforms can enhance your understanding and practical skills in AI. From using AI-powered writing assistants to exploring machine learning frameworks, hands-on experience will provide valuable insights into the capabilities and limitations of AI technologies, empowering you to harness their potential in your own endeavors. In this video, we've explored 6 crucial tips for staying updated with the ever-evolving world of AI. From following AI experts on social media to immersing yourself in the AI community, these strategies will empower you to navigate the AI revolution with confidence. Remember, the field of AI is constantly evolving, and staying informed is an ongoing journey. Embrace the opportunity to continuously learn, explore, and engage with the latest advancements in AI. Keep exploring and stay curious about AI. Thank you for watching.